guys, JK here and welcome back. Today I'm actually going to be opening up some products from VR Cover. They were sent to me yonks back actually, just before I moved. To cut a long story short, I have recovered them and I'm only as such getting around to opening them now. But I have used VR Cover products since I first had any VR headset. So yeah, I've been using them for a long time now, and I think I made a video about some of my favorite products of theirs before, and that's how they ended up sending me these products. But yeah, so I have no allegiance, shall we say, to VR Cover other than the fact that I've always used their products. I now have an affiliate link, but yeah, I'm a big fan. So with that said, better late than never. Let's do this. I am going to start with, I have quite a few products here. So they also sent me this t-shirt. It's yeah, cool. It's actually huge on me, humongous, but I think it must be maybe a small men's, because it is it's a smaller size. Yeah, but yeah, it's pretty awesome. So I'm going to be wearing it now that I have recovered it. But yeah, better late than never. And now I can actually be comfortable in my Quest. I've been using my CV1, shockingly, still a lot more than expected. But recently I did use my Oculus Quest quite a lot, as I was not at home with no access to a PC. So this has been rather dreamy. It just gets a little bit front heavy, so I'm looking forward to making it more comfortable. So yeah, as I say, this is the comfort strap, I guess, for the back of the headset, to make it more comfy. Two of these classic, is it PVC VR covers? These ones are my favorite. I feel like you either have a preference for the PVC or the fabric, depending on what type of person you are. It's just like the difference between the Halo strap. Some people love the Halo strap. I didn't like the Halo strap on the Rift S, and I love the like classic strap on the CV1. So yeah, it's just personal preference, fabric or PVC. Two of those, one of those to look at. And first of all, we need to open the facial interface that allows us to use these products, and it has a foam replacement inside too. So yeah, let's open these up. I'll drop in some B-roll, I'm sure, too, so you can take a closer look at these products. But for now, I'm just kind of opening them in midair. I wanted to open them immediately. So, ooh, VR Cover survey. Which version of our Oculus Quest foam do you like better? Scan this QR code or visit the link below to choose between our comfort and standard foams. Okay, so I guess I'll do that. Love these. I have a zillion of these at this point because I bought so many VR Cover products, and my old ones are kind of a mess, so I can throw those out and use this one now. And I'm undecided on the Quest 2 because, you know, the whole Facebook login thing. Let me know if you're going to be purchasing a Quest 2 in the comments below. Okay, first of all, I don't remember how you take these off headsets. Oh, just pop it off. So literally just pull it off. That are still in pretty good condition, considering. And then, as you can see, there's like two slots at the top there, one at the bottom, and we pop this in. I may drop this again in, like take it off and put it back on the B-roll so you can see it in higher quality. Yeah, oh, it's in. Yeah, that was simple. Bada bing, bada boosh. And at the end, I'll put on the headset to see what the difference is like. Now, already that looks much comfier. So, we also have, I assume this is a replacement. So, when this gets old and soggy, woo, hello. Oh my days, trust me to do that. You can pull this off and replace it with, I'll do it on camera just to demonstrate how simple it is, she says. And ta-da! Option 2. Not super neat, I could have done that a little bit neater, but you get the picture. Lots of spicy covers to choose from, and if I pull this off, we can then take a look at the... Now, I never use these ones. I haven't used one of these since I think I tried one out on Vive, maybe? Yonks ago. We're talking 2016. I haven't used a fabric one since. I'm definitely going to do some B-roll because you're not going to see any of this from my perspective right now. But yeah, let me know in the comments, do you use VR cover? If you don't use VR cover, what do you use? I'd love to know. And if you are interested in getting any of these products by the end of this video, or you just need a refresher of some more products and you want to support the channel, do use the affiliate link below to purchase these products. That would be awesome and much appreciated. I'm not super neat here, but you get the idea. This is another of the same. I think one's slightly thinner, one's slightly thicker, but I'll open it up anyway just so you can see. Might actually be the exact same. I will leave a note somewhere here to clarify. Oh, it is thinner. Actually, I don't need to leave a note. Yeah, this is the thinner one. This is the thinner one, and this is the thicker one. So either or. But yeah, I like as much padding as possible, so I like the thicker one, but I always use both the thinner and thicker. Whichever, they both work and they're both comfy, so that's fine. I'm not a fabric fan, it's not for me, but there's nothing wrong with them. Fabric's nice, yeah, what can you say? And this is what I'm most excited about and intrigued about. So it says loosen the strap for a start, so I'm going to do that. Loosen the straps. That will make it easier to place it on, and then you want to line it up. Kind of difficult to do in midair, otherwise easy to do, but yeah, and just pop that back. I'll do this bit first, as you can see, and now I'm just going to pop it here whilst I can always do this again in B-roll for you guys, but yeah, I'm just going to pop it here and literally, actually, you can see, I'm going to bada bing, bada boom. So as you can see, it's very simple. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 Velcro straps. You just literally insert and then fold all of these little straps together, and that should be much more comfortable. Let me make it nice and neat now. Much more comfortable than no straps, basically. But yeah, hopefully you can hear me just as well now. I can't see to confirm that everything's working, but if this video goes up, I assume we have audio. Yeah, I am quite shocked, honestly, because I thought it was going to be, yeah, nice little solution, potentially more comfortable. I actually wasn't sure that it would be more comfortable because, you know, I thought, how, it's so heavy on the front, how could this possibly balance it out? As much as I love VR cover, you know, if I'm critical of something, it doesn't matter if I'm a fan of their other products, I will be critical. For example, I don't like the fabric, but that's nothing to do with VR cover. That doesn't matter which company it's from. I just don't like fabric on my face. I just prefer the PVC. But I wasn't expecting to be surprised by this product because, wow, it is balancing out the weight. Like, what have I been doing? I usually can only play on the Quest for an hour before I need a little break, even if it's just 20 minutes before I can jolly on. Maybe I'm just a sensitive Sally when it comes to headsets and their comfort, and I'm too used to the CV1. I'm shocked because I do have the option of another head strap, which I have yet to try out, but yeah, from a different VR company, and also the deluxe audio strap for the HTC Vive, which I was going to mod onto this headset, and I was thinking, hey, comparison video if anyone's interested, and I'll tell you which is my favourite. I can still do that, but I'm just surprised that already, even though I'm sure the deluxe audio strap is great because it's got the headphones on and, you know, the audio is probably better in that sense. If you do have a headphone solution already, then this is probably a better option. It's more affordable, and I don't think you'll be disappointed. Like, honestly, if I wasn't going to do, and I still don't know if I'm going to do a comparison video, Quest 2 is coming out, so it might be rather pointless now, but if I wasn't considering doing that, I think I'd just leave this on. Like, I mean, maybe we'll see after a few hours, but I'm not feeling the same. Without this on, it is awful, the Quest. I said that from the minute I got it. It's so unbalanced. You know, it's a great product, but comfort is kind of key for me in VR because I like to spend a long time in VR. You can spend hours in VR just playing Orbis or Rec Room or whatever, and if you're not comfy, it ruins the immersion. For me, at least. Some people aren't that fussy about comfort. For me, it's probably my number one priority. I should probably take the headset off to do the outro, but this could work. Seems to be working. If you did like this video, be sure to hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you haven't already. I have some headset hair going on here. Let me know what you think of these products down in the comments below if you have them already or have any advice about modding your Quest for other people on the channel. Otherwise, yeah, thank you for watching and I will see you here next time. Bye guys!